Today's video topic is the menstrual sponge. Many have begun to consider their decision with regards to period items, searching for choices that are reusable or manageable instead of dispensable. Menstrual C sponges are advertised as an eco-friendly option in contrast to other different products. What is a menstrual sponge? A menstrual sponge is a natural or artificial C sponge that has functions of a stringless tampon. While very permeable, absorbent, and economical, they're not the safest and secure period item available on the market. A natural menstrual sponge is actually an aquatic organism that is attached to underwater surfaces. To support their organic functions, they filter seawater continuously. These are amazingly permeable, and in order to hold the liquid, they expand and grow. The synthetic one is also highly absorbent, but is factory manufactured. How do menstrual sponges work? The function of menstrual sponges is considered similar to the tampons except for the fact that they are stringless. The rest of the function is identical. Menstrual sponges are inserted inside the vagina. It absorbs the menstrual blood and expands to retain the blood inside it. They can be washed and reused after removing, whereas tampons cannot. Also, they do not have anything for easy insertion or a string or rim to assist with the removal. Are the menstrual sponges safe to use? Well, according to the FDA, they are not. Looking back to the 80s, 12 natural sponges were analyzed and found to contain grit of coarse substances, sand, and microorganisms, especially the bacteria Staphylococcus aureus, which is one of the most widely recognized reasons for toxic shock syndrome. Furthermore, their natural surface might cause little scratches inside the body when inserted and taken out, permitting microbes and different materials to readily enter the body. Regardless of whether the sponge is washed or heated up, these strategies can't guarantee that the sponge will be liberated from microorganisms and clean enough for vaginal use. Let's take a look at the advantages and disadvantages of menstrual sponges. Pros: absorbent, reusable. If they're natural, it has no fragrances or chemicals. Comfortable. Changes shape to suit your body once inside. Cons: safety concerns from the FDA regarding infections and toxic shock syndrome. Difficult to remove. One will need to stand in the shower or over the toilet to avoid dripping blood and messing the floor. There is no potential research into how to best clean them to be able to make them suitable for the sanitary use. Only suitable for a few hours, so multiple sponges or other products will be needed. Menstrual sponges are as of now being sold as cosmetic items instead of personal hygiene products, characterizing that they haven't been supported for such use. Medical experts have concerns with respect to the use of menstrual sponges. If you have any desire to change to a reusable, eco-friendly period item, different options, for example, the menstrual cup or reusable menstrual pads or panties, are a safer decision. These items are amicable to the environment and safe for you. But if you are still determined to try it or are generally curious as to how to use it, here is the guide for you. Inserting a menstrual sponge. Wash your hands to make sure they are not carrying any infectious element. Wet the sponge with water. Squeeze out any excess water. Get settled. You can sit on the toilet, lower into a squat, or stand with one leg up. Separate the folds of your labia and drive the sponge into your vagina as though you're inserting a tampon. Go do your thing for a couple of hours. What about taking it out? Remove your sponge in the shower. There will be blood. Squat and carefully insert 2 fingers into your vagina. While you bear down as the sponge moves lower, slide your fingers up its sides and gently pinch the sponge as high up as possible. Haul it out. Presto.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.